Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to calculate questions related to trigonometric ratios. So we have three of them. So we have sine, cosine, and we have tangent. So all these ratios are related in a right angle triangle. So we have this right angle triangle here. Okay, so we know it's a right angle triangle but that by that symbol. Now for instance, now let's say we have this side here and we have this side here. So this is the base and this is the height. So which is the most suitable ratio that you're going to use in order to find this angle x here? So there is a short form to remember all this. So we have tan SOHCAHTOA. Let's start with sine. So we have sine. O means opposite over h, which is the hypotenuse. Let's go back to this diagram here. So the opposite side of this triangle, of this angle here, we have sine x. Our opposite angle, our opposite side is 4 over the hypotenuse. So we can have the hypotenuse there as 5 over the 5. So if you wanted to find the size of this angle here using sine, so you're going to divide 4 divided by 5. So I'm getting 0.8. Then you press shift, sin, answer. And you get your angle there is 53 degrees. So that's sine. Now let's see if we have cosine. So we are still using the same triangle. So cos x is equals to A represent the adjacent. So adjacent, the side that is closest to that angle. So we have adjacent over h, hypotenuse. Cos x will be equals to the adjacent side, which is 3 divided by our hypotenuse, the longest side of the right angle triangle. So in order for us to get the cos, so we do the same. So you have 3 divided by 5, which is 0.6. Then you do shift cos, your answer, which is 53. So our angle here will be 53 degrees. Okay, then we have the last one. Let's see how we're going to use it, which is tangent. So tan x will be equals to opposite over the adjacent. So our opposite side is 4 and our adjacent is 3. So we work it out, 4 divided by 3, and then you do shift tan, your answer, we get 59. Okay, so those are the ratios on how to use them. Let's solve some more questions on the same. So you have been given the longest side and angle x here, and we have the base. So we need to see which is the most suitable. So the first thing is for you to write the short term, which is SOHCAHTOA. So we have, which side have we been given? The adjacent and the hypotenuse. Adjacent and the hypotenuse. So the most suitable ratio here is cosine. So we are going to solve cos x is equals to the adjacent, which is 5, over the hypotenuse, which is 8. So we do 5 divided by 8, which is 0.65. Then shift cos, your answer, 51.3. So this angle there is 51.3 or just 51 degrees. So we write 51 degrees. Then we have the next question here. So we want to find this angle there. So we can use opposite over the adjacent. So which one is that? Tan, opposite and adjacent. So that means tan x, we can label this angle x here, is equals to the opposite over the adjacent, the side that is closest to the angle. Then we work it out. So we have 10 divided by 4, which is 2.5. Then we have shift tan, your answer, which is 68. So our answer here is 68 degrees. Then we have our last question here. So you have been given the angle and one of the sides. So we need to get this side here. So the most suitable one here is opposite over the adjacent. So still we're going to use tan. So we have tan 40 degrees is equals to our adjacent side, which is 12.5 over the opposite that we do not know. So we are going to do times y here, then multiplied by y. So we have y tan 40 is equals to 12.5. So we want to get the value of y, so what should we do? So we have tan, divide both side by tan 40, and divide both side by tan 40. So our value of y will be, so you just have to press everything in the calculator. 12.5 divided by tan 40, and you get our answer is 14.9. So 14.9 centimeter. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Bye bye. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe.